Welcome back to Barber and Haskill's kitchen. My name is Amanda and today we are going to be doing some Christmas breakfast. I have my Christmas sweater on. We're gonna make some gingerbread pancakes. I'm super excited. You can make these regular straight up round pancakes. You can use metal cookie cutters and make them into fun shapes. Whatever your heart desires. You can also let them cool and you can have the kids decorate them up like gingerbread. So many variations you can do with this recipe. I'm very excited to share it with you today. These are going to make some really fluffy, great pancakes, and we've just added in some spices and a little bit of molasses, some stuff that you would find in regular gingerbread. So let's see how it's done. So we're gonna start out by mixing together all of our dry ingredients. All right, so that's how you make gingerbread pancakes. Here's how they turned out. They were super delicious. If you're going to make the gingerbread shape, I highly recommend that you take your time, that you bring a lot of patience, that you butter generously the inside of the cookie cutter before each time you do it. I did have a couple that didn't turn out, but when I took my time, they turned out perfectly well. They were great, and I decorated some of them. Completely up to you. They were so good plain, and they were so good with maple syrup and butter. I ate too many. I feel a little bit sick right now, but I'm so excited to make these on Christmas morning. Our next episode, we're going to be doing a New Year's Eve appetizer, so stay tuned for that. If you have any ideas for the show, if you have any questions, comments, please leave them below. I'd love to answer those for you and potentially feature a recipe that you're looking to find. Thanks again for joining us on Barber and Haskill's Kitchen. I'll see you in 2 weeks' time.